In this video, I'm going to talk about ReactToolBoxJS. This package allows you to save Redux states in the cloud. So you can save states, you can apply them, and you can even share the states across the organization. So in contrast to other packages where you can save states only locally in the local database or local storage, this one does it in the cloud. And this opens up many use cases for this package. For example, somebody finds a bug in your application and wants to report it. Usually they need just to write all the steps they did to get the bug. And sometimes people just don't remember what they did. With ReactToolBoxJS, they can just save the state and mention it on the ticket. And reproducing the bug will be very easy. Let's take a look how to install the package. So, but before that, I will show you the application that where I want to demonstrate the package. So the application is very simple. It's a simple counter where we can decrement and increment the actions seen here in the dispatch to the Redux store, and this is what we are going to be saving. All right, so I will just grab this line and go to my application. Okay, and while it's being installed, I will just show you how the application looks. So it's very simple. We have a provider, we have a test project with just two buttons in it, and so it's for decrement and increment, and this div shows us the current state of the counter. Yeah, and the store is also very simple. We have just two actions, which are increment and decrement. Okay, the package is installed, and we need to add it to our components. So we need to import toolbox, and I will do it right here, and to add it to and to add it here. So all right. Okay, for now I will comment out company ID and API key. We need so this component toolbox needs the following props: is open, which will just tell the component to be open or not, to be visible or not; on close, the event on closing the tools; store, the Redux store that we need to pass to the component; and company ID and API key. These two props are identifiers for your company. So with everyone who has the same company ID and API key will be able to share and see the same states saved in the cloud. All right, so we need the button that will trigger the tools, and we'll take state and on close. All right, state, let's grab it from here too. Good. So, and now we can start the application again. here is our button, Show Toolbox, and the rest works as it was before, but now we can open the toolbox, and first thing it asks us to log in. I don't have a login right now, so we need to create new. We will click sign up. We need to provide the name, email, some password, and confirm it. Click sign up. Next, we need to verify our email. You just grab the 6-digit password and paste here. Sorry, token, and pass here. Click login. Okay, now we need to put the email again. And click login. Well, when you use the package without let me show you, without company ID and API key, this means that you don't have a company ID registered, so you are asked to create your company ID, and the first one in your team who is going to use the package needs to create the company ID, and then we'll share with the rest of the team. And if you work on one master branch, then you will just use it and merge it with master. All right, so let's provide a company name, which will be my company, and create it. And we need to copy the company ID and the API key. Once you provide those, just save, and you are logged in, you have a company, so create your first project. We will call it my project. And when you click on the project, you get to Redux history. This is a simple tree where you can create your folder structure as complex or as simple as you wish. And so let's create the first folder, and let's call it my folder. All right, we have a folder here, and let's say that in this folder we want to save the current state. To show you the current state, I will open Redux. So okay, we have 2 actions to decrement and 3 actions to increment, and we just save it as, let's say, my state. All right, and here is our state. And yeah, by the way, you can this box is draggable, so you can make it smaller, move wherever you want, so that it doesn't obstruct the usage of the app. And you can close it whenever you want and open it again. All right, and so let's say that we have this state. We decrement, increment, do something else, and then we want to apply the save state. We just press import state, and it's applied again. And you can do it as many times as you wish. So again, I have refreshed the page. Again, show the toolbox. go to the project, select the state, and import it. And again, we see one here. And what's also very important is that we see all the, sorry, I need to find, oh, yeah, all the actions that were dispatched to get to this state. So the developers can debug and to see everything what was happening with the Redux state. Yeah, I think that's it. So give it a try to use it, and there is an issue tracker. So if you have any issues that you notice when you use the package, or you want to request a feature, just use the issues tracker, and we'll try to address it. Thanks for watching.